Overlooking the beautiful Forest Heights in Kitchener, Lanark Village by S&R Seniors Living is surrounded by protected woodlands, tranquil ponds, and inviting trails. Here, residents enjoy patios, fresh air, and the simple pleasure of connecting with friends and nature. Set apart by our natural surroundings, spacious living areas, and trusted reputation for nurturing care, Lanark Village inspires residents to live actively in a true community they call home. Enjoy coffee or tea in one of our cafes, share stories in cozy sunrooms and lounges, or curl up by the fire with a favorite book. At Lanark Village, live well, connect, and belong.